Imagine the ground beneath your feet, not just dirt, but a living, breathing world. A world so full of life that in just a teaspoon of soil, there are more tiny organisms than people on this entire planet. Yet, soil is one of the most underrated and misunderstood wonders on our fragile Earth. Today, we're going underground to uncover the magic of soil, why it's our planet's greatest ally, why it's crucial to our gardens, our food, and even our health, and why it needs our protection more than ever. The hidden world beneath us, soil, isn't just lifeless dirt. It's a bustling universe filled with over 50,000 species of microscopic creatures in a single gram, microorganisms that produce antibiotic compounds, sources for many medicines we use today. We're literally making medicine from the ground beneath our feet. The earthworm, nature's unsung hero. Charles Darwin said earthworms might be the most important animals in history. Why? Because they tunnel through soil, creating breathing holes like lungs for the earth, help plant roots get air and nutrients, keep soil alive and fertile for gardens and farms. Fungi and plants, a beautiful partnership. Beneath the surface, plants and fungi have a special relationship. Plants provide carbon food to fungi. Fungi mine the soil for nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. They trade nutrients, helping each other thrive. This partnership supports healthy ecosystems and carbon cycling, why protecting soil matters. Soil takes centuries to build, but can be destroyed quickly by chemical pollution, urban development, erosion and landslides, intensive farming. Did you know? Some soil is billions of years old, like in South Africa. Soil stores 3 times more carbon than all plants and trees combined. Yet, we're losing soil 50 to 100 times faster than it can regrow. The soil crisis and what we can do. Soil health is in trouble. 60 to 70% of European soils are unhealthy. UK cropland soils lost over 10% of their stored carbon in a few decades. But we can help by composting and mulching in our gardens, avoiding harmful chemicals, supporting organic and sustainable farming, planting cover crops to protect the soil, the ground. We all depend on. Soil is life and medicine, air and water filter, home to millions of species, vital for the carbon and nitrogen cycles. Right now, soil needs champions, people who care. Will you be one of them? Let's protect the magic beneath our feet together. If you're ready to be a soil hero, start by nurturing your garden naturally. Compost, mulch, and plant wisely. Share this video to spread the word about why soil matters. And tell me in the comments, what's one thing you do to protect your garden's soil?